Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Food Pros. Thank you for all the support you've given. In today's video, we are going to see how to make chicken 65 without oil. You heard it right, no oil. We are going to use the air fryer for the entire cooking. Let's get into the video. For detailed measurements, please check the description box. Let's start making. Chicken, which is cleaned and prepped. Chicken Tikka Masala, Garam Masala, Tandoori powder, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, corn flour, salt to taste, lemon juice, and curry leaves. Let's start the marination. To the chicken, let's start adding all the masala, the chicken tikka masala, tandoori powder, garam masala, the corn flour, salt, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, let's split up the curry leaves a little bit, and finally lemon juice. Give a nice mix so that the mixture is completely coated with all the powder. Once you're done, just wrap it with a cling wrap paper so that the moisture stays inside. And after 2 hours of marination, let's start preheating the air fryer. We are going to turn on, set the air fryer temperature to 390 and 2 minutes is the timing. Gently add all the chicken pieces so that they have the space to fry. Put it in the air fryer and let's turn it on. For the initial cook time, I'm keeping 5 minutes. This is how the chicken looks when the first batch is done. Let's flip it for the other side to cook. We are placing the chicken back in the fryer and the same temperature and timing, 390 for 5 minutes. Let's see how the final is done. Oh, it's nice and juicy. You can see the chicken are completely cooked and crispy and golden outside. Let's start plating. I have some onions and lemon wedge to a plate. You can see the chicken is crispy, golden, and charred. This is the perfect cooked chicken. Try this at home and leave a message for me how it turned out. Enjoy your chicken and have a very good day. Thank you for watching Food Pros. See you soon. Bye bye.